No, just watch. Show them how big the claws are.
Let's take a look. He doesn't want it. Oh, there you go, little guy.
He loves you, Danny. He loves you. He'll bite you on the nose for food. Hi, Grandpa. Would you like to see my new? No. Want to see my new tooth?
Your new tooth? I didn't know you had a new tooth.
No. Could you say, want to see how I can ride my bike? Want to see how I know how to ride my bike?
Well, we'll get to see lots of things in this tape, won't we, Courtney, huh? What has Dina got right here? What's Dina missing? Come here, Dina.
Hi, Grandpa.
Stay right, that's good, right there.
Hi, Grandpa. Would you like to see what I... This is my good friend Patrick. I have to wave. We did it today.
We lost another tooth today, did we? Yeah, today's the last day of August, I think, isn't it?
August?
Last day, yep.
August?
Yep.
Hi, Grandpa. Here is some. This is a tape of some of the things we've done this summer.
Are you going for a bike ride?
I've been trying.
Like that. Look at Toby. To say?
Well, you don't have to say anything, you just skate.
I could say something. But whatever it says, it's good. Hi, Grandpa. Oh, here are the things that we've done this summer.
Besides losing teeth, huh? What were some of the things we did this summer? Remember going camping?
We did camping, and we went fishing.
Yeah. What did we catch a lot of around the house here these days? Starts with F.
Fish.
Around the house? What are those little squiggly things we caught a lot of around here?
Well, they were at camping and they were fish.
Oh, what about around the house? What did we catch around the house that were... Quite a lot of them.
No.
Caught one today.
No, we didn't. We caught a toad, but Dad and Mom had fruit.
Believe it or not, Dad's learned something new this year.
Fudge, fudge, tell the judge, Mama's got a newborn baby. It isn't a girl.